Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I solved this lab. First of all, copy this password, open Cloud Console in private window, then click on next and paste the password over here. Click on next, then just click on I understand. Wait for a second to open. Now click this checkbox, agree and continue. Now activate this Cloud Shell, maximize it. Then what you have to do? Go to this page. Now click on task 2 and copy this zone and go to notepad, paste it. I'll share this link in the description. Control A, Control X or V, what you now go to Cloud Shell, Control D, hit enter. Click authorize. Now click this link to open a new tab. Now click your account. Now click on allow and copy this Control A, Control C and go to dashboard and paste it, hit enter and it's done. Now what we have to do, go to tasks and click task 5, scroll down and open this Looker Studio in private window. Now click on create, click on data source. Now choose any country and type anything and click this checkbox and continue. Then choose the option, your option no, then click on continue. Wait for a second. Now click BigQuery. Now click authorize and authorize your account and it's done. Now click custom query and choose your project ID. Then go to tabs, scroll down, copy this command and go to this tab, paste it. Then for project ID, go to tabs, copy your project ID. Then remove this section, only selected section. Control V. No need to copy any, make any space. Now connect it. Wait for a second. And it's done. Now simply go to task 1 and task 2. Check my progress. Scroll down, task 3. Check my progress. Done. Now task 4. Check my progress. Okay, it's done. Now for task 5, scroll down. Check my progress. And it's done. Now end this lab. See you in next